Continuing off where we left last time. String methods, index of number 3. Index of string other returns the first index of the received string, -1 if not found. So again, we're going to have string s equals apples. S.index of PL. Does PL exist within apples? 0, 1, 2. At location 2, I marked over the L sum, but we find P and L together. So the answer to the first index of is 2. Do we find ESA anywhere? So we start at the beginning. Do we find any E's? Yes. Do we find an S after that E? Yes. Do we find an A after that? No. So this one's going to be -1, not found. All right, index of number 3. Apples. Index of PL starting at position 0. Oh, index of receives a string and a from index returns the first index of the received string starting from the given index, -1 if not found. So we start at 0, no, 1, no, 2, yes, we found it. And our answer is 2. Now we start at position 3, looking for PL. So looking for PL starting at position 3. At 3 we have L, no. 4 we have E, no. 5 we have S, no. So we never find PL when we start from position 3. So we get -1. So our output here is 2, -1. Substring number 1. Substring, you send it a start index, returns a string created from the calling string starting at the given index going all the way to the end. So we start creating a string from position 2. 0, 1, 2. So we want a string that contains everything from position 2 to the end. Please, or please, is going to be our answer. Remember, this does not change S. All it does is it returns a new string that contains all the letters from that portion of S. So plus. Substring number 2. This one's a little more complicated. It has a start and an end. Returns a string created from the calling string starting at the start index and ending at the position before the end. It does not include the ending index, but it does include the starting index. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we start at 1 and go all the way to 3. We go to the position before the ending index. So P, P, L. And if you used 6 as the second index, it would not crash because it doesn't actually access position 6. It would give you a substring that included up to 5. Split. Split string S returns a string array of the calling string. Returns a string array of the calling string created by using the received string as a spacer. That doesn't, not sure about the wording there. I might have to rework that one. But what it does, it splits up the string that you have using whatever string you send it. So it's going to make an array of strings using whatever you send as a breaking point or a spacer. So here we say string broken, string bracket broken of string array equals s.split star, meaning split this up using star as a spacer. So broken would be an array. At location 0, we have AA, and star is used as a spacer. And then this one, other star, is used as a spacer. So broken would actually have AA at position 0. 1 would be, at position 1, we'd have CC. At position 2, we would have BB. Because we're making an array that has the strings created by breaking up our original string contained in S with stars. So if we break it up by the stars, we'd end up with 3 pieces, A, C, C, B, B. So when we print broken 0, we would get AA. When we print broken 1, we would get C, C. When we print broken 2, we would get B, B. And that should conclude all of our string methods.